Hello Astrothinkers, welcome to Nemesis Physics. Today we are going to learn some amazingly awesome astronomical and physics facts which are mostly about the universe. As per the title, 5 amazing facts about the universe. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Fact number 1. Our universe is expanding. Universe is expanding because the galaxies are moving away from each other with a speed of 73.5 plus or minus 2.5 kilometers per second per megaparsec. Now what is a megaparsec? In order to explain you what a megaparsec is, let me introduce you the parsec. A parsec is equals to 3.3 light years. If you don't know what light year is the distance traveled by the light in 1 year, which is approximately equals to 9.5 trillion kilometers. Means 1 parsec is equals to 3.3 light years and 1 megaparsec is equals to 3.3 million light years. So let's come back to the topic. The universe is expanding with a speed of 73.5 plus or minus 2.5 kilometers per second per megaparsec, which means universe is expanding approximately 73 kilometers every second per every megaparsec. And the most weirdest part of this is that it's accelerating. Yes, the rate of expansion of the universe is accelerating, and scientists believe there's a mysterious energy behind this. This energy is called dark energy, which is going to be our second fact. Fact number 2. Dark energy. Dark energy is the reason behind the acceleration of expansion of the universe. Because of dark energy, the universe is expanding faster. Dark energy is expanding the space and time fabric itself in order to move the galaxies away from each other, which is increasing every day. And we don't know what exactly dark energy is and how it is expanding the space-time. That's the reason why it is called dark energy. We can only find there is a mysterious energy because the universe is expanding and it's accelerating. If you are finished with the dark energy, let's go to the fact number 3 because it will be even more weirder. Fact number 3. The universe is a time machine. What? What am I saying? How can a universe be a time machine? In order to understand the statement, you need to know the speed of light. Why? Just watch the video. The speed of light is 300 million meters per second or 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, which makes the light fastest thing in the entire universe. Even with the fastest speed in the universe, light cannot cross the Milky Way galaxy in less than 100,000 years because the diameter of the Milky Way galaxy is 100,000 light years. And you know that in order to see a substance, you need light to reflect it back and reach your eyes. And light takes time to reach your eyes. Same thing happens when you look at a star in the night sky. Light travels hundreds of thousands of years to reach your eye. For example, if you are looking at a star which is 500 light years away, which means you are looking at a star which is 500 years ago present over there. But at the present time it would have crossed some millions of kilometers. And in the galactic scale, it increases to millions and billions of years, which makes universe a kind of time machine. Now let's continue the video towards the fourth fact. Fact number 4. Universe is made of only 5% matter. Then what is the rest of 95% of the universe is made of? The answer is, it's made of dark energy and dark matter. Yes, the same dark energy that we talk in the second fact of this video. Dark energy contributes approximately 68.5% of the entire universe, whereas dark matter contributes 26.5%. If you don't know what dark matter is, then I will explain it to you. Dark matter is a kind of matter which will not interact with anything including the light. It will only interact with the gravity, and we have discovered dark matter only based on the gravitational effect it puts on the stars of some galaxies. And every galaxy has this dark matter, including our solar system, but it's very less in our solar system. And another interesting fact is that the 0.1 to 0.2% of the universe is made of neutrinos, which will also not interact with anything, but they travel at the speed of light and they don't have any mass. Or even if they have, it's very close to zero. Fact number 5. Half of the universe was missing. 2.5% of the ordinary matter, which is in the form of baryonic matter, was missing till last few years, until the scientists have found the evidence for the existence of this matter in the interstellar space between the galaxies. Yes, half of the matter in the universe was filled between the galaxies but not inside the galaxies. And remaining half of the ordinary matter made everything like galaxies, stars, planets, and also life, including us. Okay guys, if you got to know something new from this video, then please hit the like button, it motivates me a lot. And also subscribe and on the bell icon if you are interested in this kind of topics. And share this video with your friends and family and also with your curious friends. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I hope to meet you guys in my upcoming videos.